All right, everybody, Christmas has come. We've been getting parts together for the Subaru project for the last couple of days or so this week. And I got a bunch of parts that came in the mail today. Got the harness for the transmission that I picked up off of Facebook for a good deal. And then we have the front brake locks solenoid, line lock solenoid that came in yesterday, which I've already opened up and looked at here. So we're going to open up a few things, and we're not going to open up this because there's no need to open it yet. But we're going to open up the rest of these boxes. We're going to see what all we got, and then we're going to start putting some stuff together. So let's see here. There's the top. Where's my... There it is. And yeah, we eBayed just about everything we have here. Oh yeah. So this should be my knockoff wastegate. Let's see what we ended up with here. Oh yeah. Nice. Oh boy. Tell you what. That is a big wastegate. My friends, that is a big wastegate. Whew. All right, well. She is a big, big girl. So yeah, this is pretty cheap looking, but should work. And that's the point. Will it work? Where are supposed to be springs, which may be all inside of it. Nice. Nothing, well, okay. Most things on this project are not going to be super expensive and top of the line right off the bat. This should work for a good long time. It is ridiculously big. But yeah, it should do what we need it to do. And then we got a bunch of fittings here, which are really cool, which will all do our stuff on top. But yeah, so that's awesome. So this will get put on at some point once I figure out where the heck I'm gonna put this monster. Wow. Because I think it's going to end up going. Wow, okay, so size is going to be an issue for this. I might end up putting it right here, realistically, is where it's probably going to end up living. And just do a straight down. Jeez, I underestimated just how large and in charge old Marge here is going to be. Oh yeah, I know what that is. Hells yeah. Alright, so this is our T4 3-inch to freaking massive thick manifold. So that is going to go on there like so. Hell to the yeah brother. And then this is going to go right up in there and weld right into that son bitch. So yeah, that's going to be our setup there. Well, I think we're going to be using that one, but I just had this on there for... Oh yeah, well, okay. So yeah, this is going to go right into here. Probably just have to do a little bit of massaging because oh wow, yeah, we'll have to fix that. That's definitely too. Oh, this is another part we got today. I already opened it. Sorry about that. But yeah, this is for our crossover, a little flex pipe. So that'll come in real handy for that. Oh yeah, there we go. So that's a good circle. Fits in there nicely. So we'll just have to weld that bad boy up. And that's going to be our manifold. So that's awesome. I'm hoping we have everything here to finish the turbo kit, but I won't know for sure until I get into everything. This is our heat wrap, exhaust wrap. Hopefully everything came like it's supposed to. Looks like we got a tube of it there, tube of it there. Where are all of the made in China? That's a cool story. Where are all the clamps? I don't want to open this right now, but I need to open this to see if that shit's actually in there. Oh, yep, they are. Okay, cool. All right, good. So I got my exhaust wrap. So when we get to that point, we can wrap everything. That's probably just going to go up here for now. I have everything I need. No, I don't. So yeah, I'm still waiting on some parts that we need to finish some things up. I need the V-bands. So I need 3-inch V-bands. I have those coming. Hopefully that'll be tomorrow. And then I also need some adapters to go from the 1/8 NPT to our brake line size that we have in order to run this bad boy. I think today I'm going to work on the turbo kit a little bit more. And I might play with the brakes a little bit. I don't know. Still figuring out there. I do need to figure out the angle I need to do here and step this up from this 2.5 pipe that I have right here up to the 3-inch pipe so I can run it down and around. So we'll be flanging this onto there essentially, and then bring that 3-inch pipe will come around into our flex here. So we'll get that all welded up. I'm gonna have to kind of hit that a little bit and get that fixed because it got a little tweaked in shipping. And then I'll have my flex, which gives a little flex. That's all we needed. And then yeah, so figure out our wastegate, where the hell that's gonna sit. She's a lot bigger than I originally anticipated. And I know what you're saying. Well, what'd you expect? It's a 60 mil freaking wastegate. Yeah, I guess I just didn't really think of how big 60 millimeters was. But that should give me plenty of wastegate to handle this big turbo. Not necessarily if this is going to be the big turbo, but that should give me plenty of wastegate to handle any turbo setup we do on this Shark. Check in with you guys as the progress gets made and let you see what we got going on. But for the most part, it's just some parts. Like I said, I got pieces of everything, but not everything at all. Not every piece. So that's how it goes sometimes. It is what it is. But I am pretty stoked for some of this stuff. Man, this thing is ridiculous. It is so big. But it's going to be really nice for the setup. A nice sturdy, I think this is a 3/4 inch thick, mild steel. So should have no problems with this ever. I didn't go with the threaded one because I think bolts and nuts will be the way to go. I might actually weld nuts to the end of it. This way, if I ever have a problem, I can always knock them off, but we'll see. And then I have a whole bunch more parts I need to order for the Holley system, but this was right down the road and I got it for about $80 off of what they normally cost because somebody ended up with 2 of them. So at this point, the only reason I got it is because I got a hell of a deal on it. And I'll keep looking at stuff for that, but might try and figure out some mounting for the line lock solenoid, which we got today, so might figure out where that's going. But as far as the rest of the wiring on everything in the car, probably not installing any of that because, well, there's not even really an interior in the car anymore. So we're a little ways from figuring that out. But all right, that's gonna be the plan. We're gonna do some things, cut some things, figure some things out, and we'll go from there. So I'll check back in with you guys. It is the next day. I did not make much progress because after starting to lay everything out, I realized my original plan to bring the crossover tube over and do the V-band in the center here just wasn't going to work for ease of installing. I probably should have known that going in, but you know, that's what you get. So I'm going to be doing a V-band here, a V-band here, and a V-band over here, and that's how we're going to do it. But I needed V-bands, so thus I didn't get very far. And now V-bands. So, these are high quality, #1 made in China. Oh, really? Damn, Gina, if I'd known they were going to come like that. I thought these were the male and female ones. To which they are not. Shoot, if that's the case, I could have used these. But that was what I was a little bit concerned about, was the fact that these don't have a... Damn, I'm kind of bummed these don't have centering. It is what it is. Could have used these, but... So I have these, and the reason I didn't want to use them is because they are not... They don't have a centering tab. So like say if I was to tighten it like this, see, they're not lined up. So if I line it up perfect, it works, but it's the same damn thing I'm going to run into with this. Alright, whatever. That kind of pisses me off a bit, because... Alright, well, that fucking sucks. I'm not happy about this. But it'll do. You get what you pay for, and we paid very little for this. Like... $23 for a pair of them. So this is the one I just ordered for the next one I just ordered, and you'll see this one actually has a ring in it, like it's supposed to. Oh, yep. Pay attention to what you order, people. This'll do. It'll do. So we got more parts in. This should be our last V-band that we need to finish up our turbo kit. Well, our hot side at least. But these ones should be real male and female V-bands, whereas the last one was not. Oh, look, and it's an actual hot side nut. This is what I was talking about before, so this is nice. This is real nice. You can already see way better quality in this whole deal. Like I said before, multiple times, you get what you paid for. You'll notice how this has a real V-band. They're a little thinner as far as the sidewalls and everything go, but I really like that. Fits together nice. It's real nice. So, like I said, I like that a lot. Should work really good. A little bit of a problem. I guess / thought I had it right with the 5/16 by 24 thread. That was wrong. So these are all wrong. But instead of ordering new ones, I'm just gonna go get the right slip-ons because I need to recrimp every one of these anyhow, and they all need to be re-ran and re-flared and everything. So I'll just have some extras of these laying around in the bin basically. But yeah, that's gonna be the story with that. So I need to go get like a bunch of those, which sucks a little bit, but it is what it is. It could have been worse, but